Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project which is LED chaser. So let's see what all the components we will require for this project. So we will need one breadboard, one IC555, one CD4017 counter IC, one 10 kilo ohm resistor, two 470 ohm resistor, one 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, one 10 microfarad capacitor, 11 LEDs, few connecting wires, 9-volt battery and a battery snapper. So first of all we'll start with the connections of IC555. So take IC555, keep the notch point on left side, place IC555 on the breadboard. Now we have to connect pin number 4 and pin number 8 of the IC together. Similarly, we have to connect pin number 2 and pin number 6 of the IC. Now we have to connect pin number 1 to the negative line of the breadboard. Now we have to connect pin number 8 to the positive line of the breadboard. Now take a 10 kilo ohm resistor and we have to connect this resistor between positive rail of the breadboard and pin number 7 of the IC. Now take a 10 microfarad capacitor. The longer terminal is positive and the shorter terminal is negative terminal. Connect the positive terminal of capacitor to pin number 2 and negative terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now take a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer and place it on the breadboard. Short the wiper terminal and terminal 2 of the potentiometer together. Connect terminal 1 of the potentiometer to pin number 7 of the IC. Connect the wiper terminal to pin number 2 of the IC. Now take one 470 ohm resistor and connect its one terminal to pin number 3 of the IC. Now take one LED. The longer terminal is positive terminal and shorter terminal is negative terminal. Connect the positive terminal of LED to the another terminal of resistor and negative terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. So now we are done with the connections of IC555. Now let's take a second IC, IC4017, which is a counter IC. Again keep the notch point on left side and place the IC on the breadboard. Connect pin number 8 of the IC to the negative line of the breadboard. Short pin number 13 and 15 of the IC. Connect pin number 8 to pin number 13 of the IC. Connect pin number 16 to the positive line of the breadboard. Now we have to connect pin number 3 of the IC555 to pin number 14 of the counter IC. Now we have to connect 10 LEDs to the breadboard. We are going to connect the LED in such a way that its negative terminal will lie in the last 5 power rail of the breadboard. So we have connected the cathode terminal or a negative terminal of LED in the last 5. So we are going to connect all the 10 LEDs in the same way. So we have connected all the 10 LEDs in the last 5 holes of the power rail. Now take a 470 ohm resistor. We have to connect its one terminal to the negative terminal of the LED and another terminal we have to connect it to the negative line of the first 5 holes. So let's place first terminal to the 10 LEDs and second terminal to the negative line of the first 5 holes. You have to make sure that the first 5 lines and these 5 lines are separate. Now we are going to connect the positive terminal of LEDs to the respective pins of the counter IC. So connect the first LED to pin number 3. Connect the second LED to pin number 2. Connect the third LED to pin number 4. Connect fourth LED to pin number 7. Connect fifth LED to pin number 10. Connect 6th LED to pin number 1. Connect 7th LED to pin number 5. Connect 8th LED to pin number 6. Connect 9th LED to pin number 9. And connect 11th LED to pin number 11. So this is how we are done with the connection. Now let's test the circuit by connecting a battery. So connect the positive terminal to the positive line of breadboard and negative terminal to the negative line of breadboard. So this is the output of LED chaser project. As you can see, these LEDs are blinking like a rolling display. The LEDs are blinking one after another, and the speed of this blinking we can change with the help of this potentiometer. When you rotate the knob of the potentiometer, the LED's blinking speed will get changed. As you can see, now the blinking is a bit slower. If I rotate the knob again, your LEDs will start blinking faster. So this is how an LED chaser project works. Thank you.